It's unboxing day for the Niphean paddleboard I just got, but beyond all unboxing, I'll also show you how to inflate it, use it, and pack it up. First, you'll see a gray backpack. This thing is designed different than other paddleboard backpacks, and when we pack up at the end, you'll see why the design is genius. It also comes with a manual pump, which is really lightweight and easy to use. And you'll get the paddle, and if you've added on the kayak seat, you'll actually get a double paddle on both ends. Here are multiple fins to help with stability. Here's the phone case to keep your phone dry. And finally, the paddleboard itself. This is the classic Clovis point board, but all will inflate in a similar way to other styles. Take the pump, attach the hose, and use the other end of the hose to gently twist into the attach point on the paddleboard. Once that locks in place, just start pumping. My son, of course, wanted to do it for a bit, but then he returned the final pumps to me. The gauge on the pump will tell you when it's full. This one suggests getting to about 10 to 12 psi. Then you untwist where the hose attached to the board and screw on the cover. Turn it over, slide on the fins, and you are good to go. I also highly suggest attaching the ankle leash. This way, if you happen to fall off, you can't get far from your board. We've never fallen off, knock on wood, but it's a good idea anyway. If you've attached the kayak seat, which I highly suggest getting, you can easily inflate that with the pump as well and clip it onto the paddleboard. The kayak seat is great for going a bit faster or getting some progress on a windy day since you can paddle both sides. It's also awesome for kids who want to go out alone but aren't confident enough standing and balancing on the board. And my daughter gave the kayak seat a try and then pretty much wouldn't come back because she thought it was so fun. So the kayak option is awesome for kids. When you're done, take it out of the water, lay it somewhere, and release the cover on the valve. We sit on it and roll it up kind of like you would a camping pad to push the air out. The bag opens the entire front side. Our other board only opened at the top, and it's so frustrating trying to get that board in. So this bag is genius. It was so much easier getting it in with this design. I hope this helps show you the Niphean paddleboard and how easy it is. Plus, it's an easy, affordable option for families to take out on the lake.